Are you about to waste your money on a sunscreen that might be a total fraud? Let's find out if Dr. Rashel Sunscreen is a skincare savior or a sun protection scam. First, let's talk SPF Claims. The label boasts a high SPF, but is it legit? We'll put it to the test, comparing it to other sunscreens and diving into what experts say about accurately testing SPF levels. Application is key. I'm using a generous amount, about a quarter-sized dollop for my face and neck, because even the best sunscreen is useless if you don't apply enough. Take notes of how it feels and smells. Now, the texture, is it thick and greasy, leaving a white cast, or does it blend seamlessly into the skin? I'm showing you exactly what it looks like on my skin, so you can see for yourself. Ingredient check. We're not just looking at the active ingredients for sun protection, but also any potential irritants or beneficial ingredients like antioxidants. Are there any red flags? Okay, time to brave the sun. I've been wearing this sunscreen for a few days now, reapplying every 2 hours, and checking for any signs of burning, irritation, or breakouts. Let's see what others have to say. The verdict: based on my testing, the Dr. Rashel sunscreen is more of a gamble than a guarantee.